Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself enjoying the present so much that you forgot to plan for the future? Well, that's exactly what happens in today's poem, The Ant and the Cricket. This classic fable by Aesop is not just a fun story, but it also carries an important lesson about preparation and responsibility. Let's dive into it. In this poem, we meet the cricket, a young and carefree creature who loves to sing. During the warm, sunny months of summer and spring, he spends all his time enjoying himself and having fun. He doesn't think about the future, especially not the cold winter ahead. He's so busy enjoying the present that he forgets the importance of preparing for the tough times. This is where the lesson begins. While enjoying life is important, we also need to plan for what's to come. Fast forward to winter, and things are not looking good for the cricket. The snow covers the ground, and there's no food to be found. He's cold, hungry, and in a real crisis. So, what does the cricket do next? He decides to seek help from the ant. Desperate and shivering from the cold, he goes to the ant's home, asking for food and shelter. He promises the ant that he will repay him later, hoping the ant will take pity on him. This is a critical moment. It shows us that in times of need, we might look to others for help, but we should remember that our own preparation plays a huge role in how we face tough situations. The ant, though kind, refuses to help. He says that ants never borrow or lend, and then asks the cricket an important question. Did you lay anything by when the weather was warm? The cricket admits that he didn't think about storing food because he was too busy enjoying the good weather. The ant, wisely, tells him that if he sang all summer, he should now go and dance through the winter. This is where the ant teaches a valuable lesson. We are responsible for our own future, and when we fail to plan, we can't expect others to fix our problems. The story ends with the cricket being sent away. The ant closes the door on him, and the cricket learns a hard lesson about the consequences of not preparing. He's left out in the cold, with no food or shelter, realizing that his choices during the summer led to his current situation. This final moment drives home the main message of the poem. Our actions today determine our future, and we must be responsible for the choices we make. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed the poem and learned something valuable about responsibility and planning ahead. Imagine hearing strange noises in the middle of the night and seeing a ghostly figure outside your window. Sounds like a horror movie? Right? Well, for Mahendra, it's a real mystery he never saw coming. Welcome to today's video on Ishwaran the Storyteller, written by the famous Indian author R.K. Narayan.